Oh, hello, and back to the TV room we go. So, before last time, we were checking the various chips on these two machines. This one works, this one doesn't, but we're hoping to figure out what's wrong. So, we did the RAM, we did the ROM. Now, we're moving on. And let's see what it is that I have. This would be, ooh, the 6502, made in the 24th week of 1978. The 6502. Chuck Pedals, baby. Okay. So, this one was made in the 40th week of 1978. So we'll put that down here in a similar configuration to what it would be. And we'll get this all lined up. It gets more challenging as we get the chips in the back of the machine. They are tougher because it's hard to get a good feel. Anyway, 6502 is in. It's time. Sounds okay? It comes up okay. Alrighty. Oh, I should hit return or something. Yeah. Okay. So we're off. We're off. Now, I'm doing the ones towards the front of the machine, not because I have any inclination that they are bad, just because they're easier. I'll get rid of the dust. This is a 6520 made in the 5th week of 1978. Alright, we're off. Oh, these come out so nice. Okay, we'll put that in the same configuration. Check the pins. Wait just a second here. This is the, oh, I wonder. This is the one chip where the configuration is different than all the others. And I wonder, was it in that one backwards? Well, we'll see. That will throw things off. I should have carefully checked that first. Okay. We're in. Aha, I do not hear. Okay, now. I did not hear the thing, and the cursor is not flashing. Now, let me double check, or have I fooled myself? It is possible I have fooled myself. No. I have not fooled myself. This is the one backwards. And that is not lined up properly. And that is gone in. Okay. Now, but the funny thing is, the screen is still looking okay. So, we're going to take this one back out. Put it here in its proper configuration. I'll try this again. Just see if the same thing comes up. Because that would be oh, come on. Come on. You went in nicely the first time. Oh, dear. This is when some of the chips get a little more difficult. Just a little more difficult. Oh, come on. Don't give me a hard time. Okay, we're in. I heard the thing come up. Now it's flashing. Interesting. Very interesting. All right. Well, there are 3 in the back. You know what? I'm going to go for the one at the right side. It's a smaller chip. Might be another round chip thing. It might be. Oh, pin's a little bit wonky. What is this one? Yeah, it's a round. 6540 and it starts with a 010. Okay. We're off. We're down. We're coming out. And I'll put that there to match the configuration. And the witness mark. And look at the pins. This can be tricky. I'm hoping not. Alright, I'm going to try for the back line. And then push in the front. Okay, we're in. We're in. I hear the motor spinning. And it comes up. Okay, well, that's all good. That's a good. We'll see. We got 2 more main chips to go. Okay. And this one is. What is this? 6522. So that goes there. Oops. Hello. I'm having a little trouble with this one. Maybe because I don't have a chip next door to pry on. Oh, no matter what, be gentle. Oh, lots of dust down there. Now, is this the correct chip? 6522. It is. The pins are looking good. The pins are looking good. And we're in. Turn it on. And it comes up. this is all good, but it is nice to also, when searching for something bad, because the other machine wouldn't come up, to find something bad. Now, is it possible that it is still RAM troubles amongst the 16 RAM chips? Well, of course it is. 6520. All right, we're turned off. We'll yank the 6520. Oop. We'll put it in the configuration from which it came. Line up the chip. Push it in. Turn it on. In some ways, I want this to be bad. But it's not bad. Well, isn't that strange? I mean, it's good that things are working. It is. But, you know, world of Commodore. Space. Quote. Semicolon. Colon. Go to 10. Alright, so there we are. Which is, oh, that'll slow it down. There it is. It's the world of Commodore. Alright, so to summarize where we're at after all this pen over here now has no screen RAM, it has no main chips, it has all the ROMs out of it. All that's left that's socketed are the RAM chips. So one would think that it is possible that there is RAM trouble. There often is. There often is. Now, could there have been some microcurrent, like this 165, whatever it was, this chip here, the first time I put the other one in, it was not happy. 6520 chip. And I'm not sure if after I took it out, if I wasn't looking at it upside down, which may mean that it was in the wrong way, which is not uncommon because it's the only chip, all the chips, except for, oh, there's one tiny support chip, but all the chips, the witness mark goes on the right side, except for this one. And I really should have paid better attention as I took it out to say, okay, wait a second here, which was this in? But I think I was looking at it upside down. That would certainly cause issues. It would. It's even tempting. I don't know if I'll do it. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm brave enough to actually stick that chip in backwards. See, remember, nothing I did made any difference. And from what I also know of all these chips, if you stick something in backwards, it's really not going to be bad. List. There. 10 print, quote, world of Commodore, space, quote, semicolon, colon, go to 10. There it is. And of course, the world of Commodore is on November 30th and December 1st of 2024 at the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario. Do check tpug.ca for more information. I will be there. Actually, I'm just looking. I was tracking with a guy who has some memorabilia. and he can't go, but he might want to sell some stuff. He has two great Amiga jackets. They won't fit me. All right. So, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to be brave. You see, the thing of it is that boggles me is, and I really should have checked this first, because it's a common thing, that this chip gets in backwards. Because, you see, when you put in different RAM chips, it often will come up and look strange if it's bad. I'm sure this was in backwards. I'm sure of it. I should have checked it more carefully. But I seem to remember as I took it out, I was looking at it upside down. And that. Alright, it's in backwards. I will be brief. I will be quick. I'll be interested to see if the screen comes up looking much. Well, it's different. Not exactly like what happened on that other machine, but different. Alright. Alright, we're going to put this back in properly. And turn it back on. It comes up just fine. Okay. So I guess the thing now is we got to start checking the RAM. Because right now, everything is switched except the 16 RAM chips. So I guess that's next. So thanks for coming. Step by step by step, we'll get this figured out. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.